How to fix challenge required on Instagram. So if this window shows on your screen as you are logging in to your account, here are some ways to fix it. The first thing you can do is to check your internet connection. If you're still seeing challenge underscore required, you can test your internet speed easily by searching online on any browser. Just type in internet speed test and then make sure that your internet is enough. A slow upload and download speed might be the cause of this issue. If you're using mobile data and getting this error, try switching to a stable Wi-Fi connection. If you're using a Wi-Fi connection, then try switching to mobile data. If the internet connection is not your problem, check for Instagram updates. If you're using an outdated version of the app, you increase your chance of getting a challenge required error. So open up the App Store and then search for Instagram, and then make sure that the blue button says open. If it says update, then go ahead and update the application first. Now, the last thing we can do is to uninstall and reinstall the app. Sometimes the challenge required error blocks your IP address from accessing Instagram for a day or two. To try to solve this, uninstall the app from your phone and then wait for 24 to 48 hours, reinstall the app, and then try again. So that is how to fix challenge required on Instagram. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.